Hi, everyone. I'm Colleen Lindholtz, president of Kroger Health. I'm excited to provide this week's message on behalf of the entire Kroger Health team. Our teams across all of Kroger have done a remarkable job navigating a global pandemic while remaining open, clean, and stocked for our customers and our communities. Personally, I'm so proud of the work that the Kroger Health team has done and continues to do each and every day. Together, we've provided COVID-19 testing to our neighbors through drive-through sites, at our clinics, and we were the first retailer in the country to develop and distribute at-home testing kits for our associates and our business partners. And we continue to see patients in our 223 clinics across the entire country. This is helping to keep the healthcare system operating efficiently. Thank you to the entire team for all that you do. Our vision at Kroger Health is to help people live healthier lives. And while that's very simple, it is a very powerful statement. With Americans spending more time at home these days, it's important to take steps to keep yourself healthy while at home. With flu season approaching, it means that our nearly 2,500 locations are currently busy vaccinating and protecting our communities. With that many locations covering 37 states and DC, we can make a big impact, but we need your help. We continue to look at both traditional and non-traditional methods to meet our customers' needs and keep everyone safe. At our COVID-19 drive-through test sites, we were able to assist tens of thousands of people in a very short period of time. By using this same model to provide flu shots, we hope to provide even more safe, convenient options for people to get vaccinated. Check our website to see if a drive-through flu shot site is near you. And this year, you can make your flu shot appointment online at krogerhealth.com/flu. It only takes a minute. We at Kroger strongly believe in food as medicine, and by eating fresh foods, exercising, and taking care of your mental health, you can support your ongoing overall wellness. I would like to personally invite you to Kroger's virtual wellness experience supporting World Mental Health Day on Saturday, October 10th. This is in partnership with our co-founder, Jewel. There will be fitness events in the morning, interviews with business leaders, and advice from mental health experts in the afternoon. And there is an amazing concert lineup at night with Jewel, Willie Jones, ex-ambassadors, Grace Vanderwall, and more. Please be sure to tune in at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This event is designed to improve your daily mental wellness practices, and we encourage everyone to take advantage of it. You can register for free at thewellness-experience.com. We hope to see you there. Thank you for all you're doing to keep yourself and others healthy. We look forward to seeing you at one of our pharmacies or clinics for your flu shot very soon.